Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're in another hotel room. This is the Royal Hotel Shinokubo in Tokyo, Japan. And this is the second time I've stayed here. This is a different style of room than I had in the past, so I'm glad to show you this style of room. It is smaller than the previous room style I had. This is room 205 on the second floor. As you come in on the right is the toilet and bathroom area, so you have a separate room just for the toilet with the fancy washlet here, as a lot of Japanese toilets have, with its many features. And then of course you have the vanity area, and you do get some bathroom amenities here, such as a toothbrush, hairbrush razor, some cotton buds, and some hand and face wash here. The other things on the counter are mine that I brought with me. You do get some towels and a hairdryer and hand towel and bath mat here. The towels are replaced every day, and then the sheets are replaced as you request, or every third night, I believe. This is the bathroom. It's quite large. It has a very deep and large tub. You can see here. And then the shower extension is hooked to the water faucet down there, so you can have a shower separately if you'd like. Again, it's a fairly large bathroom area. And then as we make our way to the bedroom area through this door, you can see the bed here. It looks like a queen bed maybe. And then you do get the luggage rack, trash can, and air purifier. This room you can actually see outside. The last room I was in, there was no view. It was completely blocked out. Over here is your closet. You do get some robes, and then I've hung up two jackets here. And they do also give you a deodorizer spray. You have a mirror on the closet door. There's a light here, but it doesn't work. I already tried. The desk area has your heating and AC control. You can switch it from heating to AC, even though it is currently winter. They let you turn on the AC if you'd like. And your electric kettle, some tea, I believe. Yes, some tea and cups. Vanity mirror and very small TV. And then your tiny mini fridge down here. The drawers here, one is missing a knob. I don't think I'll be using them, so it's no big deal. And then above the bed, tissues, the phone, and then one outlet and light controls. Since this is a kind of an old hotel, there are not many outlets around. There's one, by the air purifier here, and above the bed, and one near the desk, but it's being taken up by the TV, so I may unplug the TV later. You have a clock up there, and then up top you see your air conditioning unit, which also is the heating unit, and then you have an exhaust fan up there as well. Oh, oddly enough, there's an outlet above the closet. They do give you some slippers here with some inserts, but I actually brought my own slippers, which I'm wearing right now. And then this room's actually on the floor where the lobby is, so you can see here there's the room location, and then the main lobby area with the elevators. A safety flashlight for emergencies. And that is pretty much it. I'm here for quite a while, so if there's any updates to the room or the review that I'm giving now, I will be sure to leave them in the description box. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.